Good morning. This is our lesson number 10, the banyan tree. You must have seen a banyan tree. हम सभी ने banyan tree देखा है, बरगद का पेड़. This is story about the author Shah. Here the writer is sharing his feelings for banyan tree at his grandpa's house. Though the house in grandpa's grounds belong to my grandparents, ये जो house है, grounds है, ये मेरे दादाजी का है. But this magnificent old banyan tree was mine. ये जो ट्री है वो मेरा है. बिकॉज द ग्रैंड पा वॉज 65, ही कुड नो लॉन्गर क्लाइम. क्योंकि अब दादाजी उस पर चढ़ नहीं सकते. दैट्स वे दिस ट्री इज माइन. इट इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रांचेस, many branches and great root. I got a lot of pleasures here. There are many birds here like squirrel, butterflies, and this tree is older than the Dehradun. Behind this, I will play hide and seek. I got a lot of pleasure. My first friend was a small gray squirrel. एक छोटी सी गिलहरी थी जो मेरी यहाँ first friend थी. And when in starting she had a lot of fear with me, but when she became friend, I gave her a cake and biscuits. She felt too much excitement. You can see the scenario. This is our writer. This is her friend. And he was giving biscuits and cakes to her under the banyan tree. In the spring seasons, the banyan tree was full of flowers and birds. Here bulbul, parrots, myna, crows, there are number of birds here. So during these seasons, we got a lot of noise of birds. After the tree, I built a crude platform where I would sit spend. In summer season, I like to spend at afternoon time. And I made there a small library. I had a lot of books and I read all the books there. Like the story of Dr. Dolittle, Huckleberry Finn. So this was my small library here also. When I did not feel like reading, जब मुझे पढ़ना अच्छा नहीं लगता था, I could look down. I just look surrounding the area. One day what happened? I had a grandstand view of the classic of the Indian voice, a fight between a mongoose and the cobra. Cobra means this is the type of snake and mongoose means nevla. So I got a fight between a cobra and mongoose. When I saw a huge big cobra gliding out of a clump of cactus के पास से वो बाहर निकलता है. At the same time a mongoose emerged from the bushes and I went straight for the cobra. At the same time mongoose भी बाहर आता है. In a clearing beneath, they came face to face under the banyan tree. दोनों एक दूसरे के सामने आ जाते हैं. They starting fighting. The cobra knew only too well that the grey mongoose 3 feet long. अच्छे से पता है कोबरा को कि जो मंगूस है वो 3 feet long है. And but it still he was very powerful and super fighter, aggressive. But the cobra was a skillful experience. और कोबरा जो है it is 6 feet long. And they started fighting. You can see this is our writer. This is our writer and he just looking all the fight. There is 2 more spectators here. One is myna, secondly is crow. And under the behind this tree, I was looking the whole fight, and it was a great fight. I got a lot of enjoyment. And though the combatants were unaware of my presence, they don't know. I am just also looking there. They were a great fighter, and the mongoose was not getting loose. Mongoose बिल्कुल हार नहीं मारता था. Every time he attacks more and more on the cobra. Then the cobra stood on the defensive, slowly side to side, trying to memorize. But the mongoose knew the power of his opponents. Mongoose भी अच्छे से जानता था उनके opponents की power. So he was ready for the every stand. He was ready, moving forward quickly until he was just within the cobra's reach. The mongoose made a pretend move to one side. इस तरह से दोनों एक दूसरे को pretend करके एक दूसरे को हराने की कोशिश करते हैं. But at the same moment the cobra struck the crow and the myna. जो मैना होती है और क्रो है बैठे हैं और वो बहुत अच्छे से फाइट को देख रहे हैं. और The cobra jumped. Sometimes cobra jumped on the mongoose. Sometimes the mongoose jumped to the cobra. So it is a great fight. The third round followed the same course. The first, but with a one dramatic difference, the crow and the मैना still determined. crow और मैना वहीं बैठे हैं, देख रहे हैं. The मैना flew on its reach. अब मैना उड़कर अपने प्लेस पर चली जाती है. But the crow tried to pull up. But crow जब उड़ता है एकदम से he just fell down and cobra took out this crow. कोबरा जो होता है इस क्रो को खा जाता है. So the मैना जो है still she was on the tree on the cactus plant and last क्या होती है इन दोनों में, the cobra was weakening. लास्ट में कोबरा को लगता है कि now he feels weak, so and he raised himself on his short legs. The cobra laced around the fighting manner and even coiled itself about the mongoose. But in this way मंगूस जो है वो बहुत अच्छे से फाइट करता है और कोबरा हार जाता है. सो द स्नैक हैड सीज्ड टू स्ट्रगल. अब स्नैक स्ट्रगल कर नहीं पा रहा है. जो कोबरा है ना ही जस्ट गोइंग टू द बुशेस, वो झाड़ियों में जाकर छिप जाता है. सो मंगूस वाज द विनर एंड मंगूस भी अगेन गो टू द बिहाइंड द मंगूस बिहाइंड द कोबरा. The मैना dropped cautiously. जो मैना थी वो ग्राउंड पर थी and she said the winner is congratulations to mongoose. It was a great fight. So I hope the lesson is clear to you. These feelings is about banyan tree, about their birds, about the fight, about each and everything. Goodbye to all.